Hello guys, it is my pleasure to welcome you to my channel, Loize Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi Yaku. I'm reaching you live from Lagos State, Nigeria, and in this video, I'm going to teach you guys on how to delete your shipping address on 1688 profile. Now, before we get to the practical started, if you are very new to this channel, please click on the subscribe and also don't forget to hit on the notification bell icon so whenever I upload video content about importation from China and some other country, you'll be able to get notified and watch the video. And also, if you have any question as far as this particular tutorial is concerned, kindly put your question in the comment section down below. I will be glad to reply to whatsoever question you have. Please, sorry for the interruption. So I'll be able to reply to whatsoever question you have. So lastly but not the least, if you would like to join my premium class where I teach people on how to be a self-importer, that is how to make payment, do stuff like that, and do everything as far as self-importation is concerned, you can join my premium class. If you would like to join, feel free to contact me via the phone number on the screen of this video. Let us talk about the premium class. I'll be able to reply to whatsoever inquiry you have as far as premium class is concerned. So let's get to the practical video started. So like I said earlier, guys, I'm going to teach you how to delete your shipping company address from your 1688 profile. Now, there are many reasons why by which we delete our shipping company address. Sometimes the shipping company might fuck up in terms of delivery. Sometimes the the shipping company might not be faithful enough to us as far as the business is concerned. So we might decide not to work with the shipping company again. So there are different type of reasons by which we get delete of the shipping company address. So if you are the type that find it difficult to see how to or to understand better how you can delete the particular shipping company from your profile, this video is going to walk you through step by step on what you need to do to delete a particular shipping company. So let's get started. So this particular things is going to be easy to do on Google Chrome. So I'm going to access my 1688 profile using my Google Chrome right here. You can see. So I'm going to click on my Google Chrome now. So having clicked on my Google Chrome, I'm going to click on here to make a new tab. So having make a new tab, so I'm going to tap on here to type in the website address name, which is so I'm going to type it right now, 1688. So you can see 1688.com. I'm going to click on enter. So we can easily click on this to delete this pop-up. Now, what we need to do here is to translate this particular page from Chinese into English language. So you have to tap on this three dot here. Okay. So I'm going to click on it right now. Then you have to choose translate. So I'm going to translate now. So having translate to the English language, you'll be able to understand what is going on right here. So the next thing we have to do is to click on login here. So we have to click on login. All right, so from the point here, you have to click on 1688. So I'm going to click on it. Now, the first column here is where you enter your Taba username. Then the second column here is where you type in your password. So I'm going to enter my username first from this column. So here is my username. So next thing I'm going to do is to follow the next column and type in my password. So when you're done entering your password and username, you have to tap on this big button here to log in. So I'm going to click on it right now. So I'm going to enter through the Google Chrome, or I'm going to select always, Google Chrome always. All right, so for you to be sure that you have successfully logged in, and so you have to come here and tap on this man icon to visit your profile. So when you click on it, it's taking you to your profile straight away. Now you have to click on here to check your address. So I'm going to click on it right now. All right, so when you have your address, this is where it's going to be installed. You can see everything right there. Now, for you to delete your particular address, all you have to do is to tap on here. So I'm going to click on it right now. All right, so one of the things you can do here, if you want to edit, you click on this pencil icon. If you want to edit the address. Now, if you want to delete, you have to tick on here. You see a tiny dot here. You have to tick on it. So I'm going to click on it right now. So when I click on it, it's going to highlight from the top straight down. This simply means that I'm trying to delete this address away. So now, finally, if you are fully ready to delete, then you click on this big button here, and I'm going to click on it. So then you click on here. Boom. So this is how you can delete your shipping company address on 1688 profile. I hope you guys learned one or two things in this video. If you enjoyed this video, click on the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And lastly but not the least, put your question in the comment section down below if you have any question for me as far as this tutorial is concerned. Thank you guys for watching from the beginning to the end, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.